Hey everyone! Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to easily make TV in Infinite Craft game. So, let's get started. First think first. Take earth and put in the field, and then take wind and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get dust. Then, take earth and put in the dust. When you do that, you will get planet. Then take fire and put in the planet. When you do that, you will get sun. Now, take fire and put in the sun. When you do this, you will get solar. Now, the next step is to take planet and put in the solar. When you do that, voila! You will get system. After that, again take fire and put in the system. When you do that, you will get computer. Then, go to other side. Take dust and put in the field. Then take dust and put in the dust. When you do this, you will get sand. Then, take fire and put in the sand. When you do this, you will get glass. Now, combine these elements. Take glass and put in the computer. When you do that, you will get screen. Now, the last step is to take screen and put in the screen. When you do this, voila! You will get TV. Congratulations! You have successfully made TV in Infinite Craft game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.